Hello everybody, welcome back to Hard Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change your car color on Schedule 1. So first, we need to drive our car into the auto shop. And now we need to talk to Marco. Right here. And now ask for the repaint. As you guys can see here, we can choose between many colors. So I'll choose this one. Now let me confirm it. It costs $100, so it's not that much. And as you guys can see, now our car is in a different color. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe and a comment if it helped. And if so, then let me know in the comments what tutorials do you want to see on the channel. And that will be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe and see you next time. Bye.